Alright guys, it is time for you to take and put your final draft together. So I'm going to come here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my introduction. So here's my introduction. I'm going to double click or highlight it. I'm going to press Control C to copy it, and then I'm going to come down to slide 18. I'm going to click here or highlight. I'm going to press Control V to paste. Now I have it bolded because I chose it, so I'm going to take and I'm going to unbold it so that it looks just like normal. I'm going to give it a title. The day we went remote. My title has to have something to do with what I wrote. So I've got my introduction. I'm going to hit enter twice to go to my next paragraph. Now I'm going to go up to slide 12, and I'm going to copy, once again, either double click or click and highlight. I'm going to press Control C. I'm going to come down to 18. I'm going to click on here, make sure that I'm separated down. I'm going to paste, enter twice again. Now I'm going to come up to slide 13, and I have my next ones. This time I'm going to Control C. Again, slide 18, Control V. Now notice I'm at the end of this page, so the next time I copy, I'm going to be here on slide 19. You might not use slide 19, and that's okay. So now I'm going to come to slide 14, highlight, Control C, slide 19. I'm going to paste, enter twice. Then I'm going to come to slide 15. I'm going to copy Control C down to 19 and paste. Then finally, I'm going to come to my closure, and I'm going to choose the one that I chose. I chose a hope. I'm going to copy it, slide 19, and I'm going to paste it. And once again, I'm going to take this and make it unbold. So now on slides 18 and 19, I have my story. When your story is done, it will look like this. You might have it on just one slide, and that's okay. You might take 2 slides. If you wanted, you could change your text box, and you could take and add pictures. Personally, I would just take and just make sure the words are here. That's what's really, really important. Happy writing!